Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to upload a gig image on Fiverr. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Fiverr and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find your dashboard, my business, growth and marketing, and analytics. Here in the right, you're going to find notifications, messages, help, and resources. And right here, you're going to find your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to find your profile, refer a friend, settings, billing, and payment. And here, you're going to find your language and currency. So go ahead and click on profile. And then once you click on profile, you're going to be taken to this page. Right here, you're going to find all of the informations about your profile, your picture, your name, your username, country, your description, languages, skills, and so on. You can edit all of those informations. And right here, you're going to find your active gigs and your drafts. So if you already have an active gig, you can edit it from here. And as you can see, guys, in my case, I don't have any active gigs. So for example, I'm going to click on create a new gig. And once you click on create new gig, you're going to be taken right here. So basically, guys, what you need to do, guys, right here is fill this form and follow the steps until you publish your gig. So for example, in this page, there is an overview. So there is a gig title, the category. You need to select the category and also the subcategory of your gig. Here, you need to add your search tag and then click on save and continue. And then you will continue to pricing, then description and frequently asked questions, requirements, and then gallery. Basically, guys, once you're here in the gallery, you'll be able to add images of your gig. And after you add images, the last step is to publish your gig, and then you're good to go. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.